Well, that's right off the referee in the corner.
And he is hurt. Finally, play whistle down. Rooney is in a great deal of difficulty there. That left knee.
You see him grabbing his kneecap there. Now, they do wear knee pads, shin guards, Jeff. But as that puck was sailed in, might have been by Nick Holden, number 2. Shot it wide purposely. And you could hear it from up here.
Oh, yeah. Chris Rooney being assisted here by Mike Vogt.
See it on the left side of your screen. Rooney tries to get out of the way. See, as he turns.
Turned right into it.
That knee pad, that shin guard covers your knee. But it doesn't cover. You watch, he gets it on the side of the knee.
Ooh.
And instantly goes down. This is right after he got hit. He tried to stay up. Looks like he went to blow the whistle.
Yeah, it did. It did look like he tried to blow the whistle there.